Hi viewers, welcome to Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Government of Telangana. Course details, course BSc, BZC, year, first year. In old syllabus, it is belongs to second year, semester second, subject to botany. Paper plant taxonomy. From this, today topic is Orchidaceae. Here Archi means ancient. So it is ancient family belongs to monocotyledons. This is Veeraya Sheelam, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, working at Government Degree College Women, Nalgonda. This family Orchidaceae classified by various scientists according to Bentham and Hooker, natural scientists. They were classified, placed this Orchidaceae under class Monoclamidae, monocotyledons. Monocotyledons. Mono means single, cotyledons are number of cotyledons are only one. Order Microspermae. Micro means very minute, smallest. Spermae means seeds. So order or series. Orchidaceae order is Microspermae. Family Orchidaceae. Later, Engler and Prandtl also kept this Orchidaceae family under monocotyledons, Microspermae, Orchidaceae, as usual, like Bentham and Hooker. And after Hutchinson, he was also retained under monocotyledon, but order is changed. He created a new order, that is Orchidales. So family is Orchidaceae. All of the scientists' opinion is similar, except order, remaining all classification is similar. Some diagnostic features, important features about this family are epiphytes or saprophytes. So in this family, almost these all characters are important. Only important characters are given here, which are epiphytes. Epi means upon, phytes means plant. So these plants are growing upon another plants. So they are dependent on another plants. They are called epiphytes or saprophytes. These plants are living on the dead and decay parts of substances. Zygomorphic. Zygo means if the flower dissect only one axis, it gives equalobs. Unless it never gives equalobs. Only it gives equalobs when dissect a particular axis. Only one particular axis gives equalobs. That symmetry is called bilateral symmetry. A resupinated flower. After maturity, the flower gynoecium inverted into 180 degrees angle. Which is the inverted? The stalk of pistil. The stalk is inverted. In that moment, the floral parts are anterior parts are come to posterior, posterior parts are come to the anterior, vice versa. That is called resupination. So the resupinated flower indicate mature. Then labellum. Labellum is one of the petal, odd petal. It is looks like different shapes in various species. The function of labellum is the attracting of insects. So it is dark color and attract to the insect for pollination. So in the different species, the shape of labellum is vary in species to species. Number of stamens are 1 or 2. Number of stamens are 2 reduced. Next one, pollinia. Pollinia means group of number more pollen grains. Sometimes that pollen grains are looks like peds. They are called pollinia. Pollinia means group of the pollen grains. Gynostegium or gynostemium. Here two parts are combined to each other like gynoecium and androecium related. Means stamens and stigma both are combined to each other and form a column that is called gynostemium or gynostegium. Rostellum. So it is the beak-like structure. Only some of the orchids are exhibit this character, rostellum, beak-like, bird beak-like structure. Microseeds are many, but non-endospermic seeds. It is important character. Orchidaceae family series name is Microspermae. Micro means minute, very minute. Spermae means seeds. That microseeds are numerous, indefinite number, with non-endospermic. There is no endospermic. Endospermic is absent in the family. So it is very important character for the entrances. Biggest family in monocotyledons, not angiosperms. Some in some area Asteraceae consider, in some books Orchidaceae consider. Anyhow, in our academy considered the biggest family in angiosperms is Orchidaceae. Sometimes Asteraceae also consider, but according to our book, the biggest family is Orchidaceae. The number of genuses are 800, species are 25,000. So this family is cosmopolitan distribution. Cosmopolitan means entire the worldwide. Almost these plants are available all countries about the world. Therefore, that character is called, that distribution is called cosmopolitan distribution. Biggest genus is Pleurothalus. The model family is Orchis. It is a model family. Therefore, the name also came on that Orchis plant, Orchidaceae. Important plants in this family, Bryophyllum. Commonly it is Bryophyllum plant. Complete name, Negrens. Bryophyllum negrens. Cypripedium calceolus or Cypripedium carnigerum, common name lady slipper. This question was asked in B.Ed. Find out the lady slipper orchid. So what is that? Cypripedium calceolus or Cypripedium carnigerum. Because the labellum is lady slipper shape. Labellum is one of the petal, odd petal. Dendrobium herbaceum. Hebenaria roxburghi, Kusmagadda. Commonly it is known as Kusmagadda. Obenaria ensiformis. Obenaria, it is Hebenaria. Ansidium altissimum, dancing lady orchid. Orchis masculata, spotted orchid. So number of spotteds are present over the sepals and petals. Smethoglottis plicata. Philippine ground orchid, this one. Smethoglottis plants are growing many at Philippines country. Vanda tessellata. Vanda tessellata. Commonly it is very known plant, Vanda. It is an epiphytic plant. Not only Vanda, many epiphytic plants are visible in Orchidaceae. Therefore, the family is called epiphytic family. Vegabandhanica, commonly it is known as Vegabandhanica. Vanilla fragrancy or Vanilla fanifolia, vanilla plant. During the summer time, from this plant seeds, vanillin, a good smell, spices like substance obtaining from that seed or fruit of this vanilla. That vanillin mixing into the preparation of ice creams. Those ice creams are vanilla ice creams. They are very popularized worldwide. Vanilla ice cream, vanilla cakes, vanilla cool cakes. So good fragrancy. It give good fragrancy, good tasty. Another one, Taeniophyllum biocellatum. Taeniophylle- Taeniophyllum, it is the best example for photosynthetic roots. So in this plant there is no stem, there is no other parts. The roots are greenish color. The roots are ribbon like, green colored structures. They perform photosynthesis. It is also epiphyte. Neotia, it is example important for entrance. Neotia, saprophytic plant. Commonly it is known as bird nest orchid. So it is the saprophytic plant. Vegetative characters. So root system widely developed, adventitious roots because it is monocotyledon plants family. Therefore, like other families, the family members also have adventitious roots. These adventitious roots are modified into various types. 5-6 types are visible in this family along with that common adventitious roots. Epiphytic roots. Example Vanda. So example Vanda. Vanda has two type of the roots, clinging roots and velamin roots. Clinging roots are help to the fix. These are fixing roots. So that roots are incorporated into the host plant. Already I said epi means upon, phytes means another plant. So these plants are growing another plants. Velamin roots. These are atmospheric roots. They are growing into the atmosphere. These roots are contain velamin tissue. It is a special tissue. The velamin tissue collect moisture from the atmosphere. So these roots are help absorption of water and moisture and send to the plant body. Another one, photosynthetic roots, example Taeniophyllum, important. Absorbing roots, nest roots. Example, Oncidium altissimum. Nest roots means the roots are mixed to each other. Finally, it looks like a nest, bird nest. That roots are collecting, absorbing from the dead parts of plant and animal. Therefore, the lifestyle is called saprophytic lifestyle. Mycorrhiza. Myco means root. Myco means microorganism. Rhiza means root. So, microorganism like lifestyle visible in these roots. Example, Neotia. Myco means microorganism. Rhiza means root. In these plants, for example, Neotia, in Neotia, roots are absent. Instead of roots, Neotia has separate microorganisms like Abasclare mycorrhiza, vascular, abasclar mycorrhiza. They are belongs to Zygomycotina fungi. Such type of microorganisms are present over the Neotia root system. Instead of roots, it has many microorganisms. That microorganisms collect water mineral from the dead and decay parts or substrates far from the host. In this plant, there is no roots. The root function performing by the microorganisms. They are called mycorrhizae. Tuberous roots. Some plants has tubers. Example, Archis mascule. Climbing roots. It is very popular in vanilla. Vanilla aromaticum. It is a climber plant. So stem is very weak. Therefore, it is try to climb on another plant. So, vanilla plant produces fruits. That fruits are economically a huge importance in the preparation of chocolates, ice creams, cakes. So it is one of the Taeniophyllum plant. In this plant, the green color parts are, these are the roots. These are not leaves, only roots. It can flowering. Reduced stem is present. The reduced stem produce flowers. There is no stem, but only roots are greenish color. It is also epiphyte. It growing on another plant. This is another plant. Example, Taeniophyllum. This is the Vanda. So it is Vanda. The vanda roots, these are clinging roots. These are the atmospheric roots, vanilla roots. So two type of, these are also vanilla roots. Maybe the clinging roots are inside of the pot. These are vanilla roots. It can flowering. So weak stem is there, leaves are there, leaf succulents. These epiphytes are shows xerophytic nature. So before Teniophyllum and Vanda, both are xerophytic plants. This is the vanilla plant. Vanilla has some tendrils. By the help of these tendrils, it can climb on another plant. So these are the leaves. Parallel venation are visible. These are the buds. So finally it become a fruit. The fruit contains some fragrancy substances. So vanilla plant. Next, stem. Stem is aerial or climbing. Example, vanilla. Monopodial growth or sympodial growth. Two type of the growth are visible among this family. Pseudo bulbs are present. Example, bulbophyllum. It is also important point. Bulbophyllum has pseudo bulbs. So it is the bulbophyllum plant. So bulbophyllum, these are the bulbs, pseudo bulbs. The stem nodes are modified into bulbs. This is the spike, these are the leaves. So leaf structure. The leaves are arranged most of the aerial in some radical. Radical means the leaves are arranged arise over the root. That is called a radical. Ebenaria example. Sheeting leaf base. So it is a monocotyledon character. All the grass plants also shows sheeting leaf base. Parallel venation also usually present in Orchidaceae like all monocotyledons. Alternate phyllotaxy or rare opposite visible. Scale leaves are present. Example, Neotia. So scale leaves, it is a symbolic of xerophytic nature. Teniophyllum, leaves are absent but roots are green colored. Here roots are modified into greenish color. Epiphytic leaves shows xerophytic nature. Yes, just before I said epiphytic leaves shows xerophytic characters. This figure is a Neotia. So Neotia is observing, it has observing roots, parasitic plant. So it is growing over the dead and decay parts of plant and animal dead bodies. Then floral character, inflorescence, axillary or terminal. Then simple raceme or panicle. Most of the plants have simple raceme. Spike visible in Orchis plant. This is the Orchis spike. It is too long. Then Renanthera. It is the Renanthera plant. The inflorescence nearly 13 feet length. It is one plant, it is another plant. The inflorescence length is nearer maximum 13 feet in length. So too long inflorescence. The radicals are visible in Renanthera plant. These are the Renanthera plants. Usually these plants are grown at gardens for ornamental purpose. Flower. So flower description is bractate, BR, complete flower with bisexual, zygomorphic. Already noticed, zygomorphic means the flower when dissect only one angle gives equal half. That is called bilateral symmetry. So achlamydous, heteroclamydous, diclamydous with heteroclamydous. Heteroclamydous means two different calyx and sepals are visible separate holes. They are arranged in separate holes. Trimerous, tri means 3. The number of the floral parts are 3. Like sepals 3, petals 3, stamens 3, like that. That is called trimerous. Cyclic arrangement, epigynous. Epi means upper. Gynous means gynoecium. Gynoecium position is upper. Remaining floral parts are beneath the gynoecium. That is called inferior ovary. Superior ovary. Sorry. Epi means upper, gynoecium. So over the gynoecium, for example, this is the gynoecium. Calyx, corolla, stamens are arise over the gynoecium. In that moment, gynoecium position is inferior. Such flower is called epigynous. Here gynoecium position is inferior and resupinated. At the time of maturity, the gynoecium stalk growing as inverted 180 degrees curved. In that moment, posterior parts are come to the anterior part come to the posterior, vice versa. That is called resupinated. The resupinated flower pistil rotates 180 degree. So pistil rotates 180 degrees. Don't forget 180 degrees. It is one of the figure. These are the sepals and petals. Almost sepals and petals are same color. They are arranged 3 plus 3. Outer hole has 3, inner hole has 3. This is the column, means labellum. So labellum is too attracted. It express in different shape. So it is odd petal. Labellum is odd petal. Before the resupination, the labellum position is posterior. After resupination, it is goes to anterior. So before resupination, after resupination. Before resupination, labellum position is posterior. After resupination, labellum position is anterior. The labellum function is just attract to the insects. Perianth. Here we are using tepals because sepals and petals cannot easily identified, easily not separate from each other. The both are same color, both shapes. That's why they are called a perianth. They are called individually tepals. They are 6. They are arranged in 2 holes, 2 tiers, 2 steps, 3 plus 3. But color is identical. Outer hole is small. Just usually they are called 3 sepals. Inner hole has 3 petals. Odd petal is called labellum or lip. So it is too attracted to different shape. Everything is different. Labellum is. So before resupination, position is posterior. After resupination, the position is anterior. The labellum shape is vary from the species to species. For example, Cattleya, the labellum shape is funnel shape. Cypripedium, slipper shape, lady slipper shape, it is important. Corycanthus, bucket shape. Ophrys, it is also important. Spider shape or bee, female bee shape. Spathoglatis, lobed shape. These are the some different shapes exhibit in Orchidaceae members. So it is one of the orchid plant. The petals are too beautiful in dark color. The arrangement of floral parts is different. Therefore, most of the persons are interested to grown as ornamental in the gardens. So number of sepals, how many? 3. It is one sepal, sepal, sepal. Petals are 3. These are 2. It is another one. This one. So 3 plus 3. These two are same color. You observe here. Sepal and petal are same color. We can't easily separate from each other. Therefore, they are called perianth. They are called tepals. The odd one is the different. It shows lip-like. Therefore, lip-like labellum, it attracts to the insect. This is the column. The column formed by the help of stamens and pistil. It will be come next. Essential organs. Essential organs means stamens and gynoecium together is called essential organs. Gynostomium, it is identification character of family. Gynostomium means stamens plus style plus stigma together is formed one structure is called column. The column contain male part which has stamens belongs to male. Style and stigma belongs to female. So male and female both floral parts together to form a column. Now the column is called Gynostomium. How gynostomium made? Some portion of the stamen, some portion of the style stigma together to form a column. That column is called gynostomium. Gynostomium function also attract to the insect. It create a beautiness to the flower. Finally, it dry a beauty flower. So both are, which are gynostigium plus labellum, both are attract to the insects for pollination. So these are some adaptations in the flower. Generally, gynostigium is situated opposite to the labellum. So labellum and gynostigium, they are present in opposite direction. Both are enhance the attractiveness of the flower. So these are the it is the this one gynostomium. How gynostomium made? Stamens, some of the stamens, one or two stamens, pistil. It is male part, it is female part, together to form a column. That column is called gynostomium. Sepals are 3, petals are 3. So they are arranged alternate in different holes. So this is the labellum. So it is the gynostomium. This is the labellum. Gynostomium and labellum, the both are present in the flower as opposite direction. So they are present in opposite direction. Gynostomium made by some stamens. Two stamens are involving in this structure. Style is involving, stigma also involving. Finally, gynostomium help to the pollination. These opposite two structures are attracted to the insects. So it is a gynostomium. So closed structure. It is the dorsal sepal. It is the anther cap, the green color. These are the pollinium. Pollinium means group of many pollen grains. It is the rostellum. Rostellum is beak-like structure. So rostellum, nothing but stigmatic lobe. So it is the stigma. It is a pseudo-eye. Pseudo-eye. Not eye, pseudo-eye. Sometimes it is collecting some sunlight, solar radiation from the sun. Basal field. This is the basal field. Many adaptations are visible. Therefore, the flower looks like beautiful. So ornamental plant. Androecium. Number of stamens are 1 or 2. So male parts are 2 reduced. Based on number of the stamens, the family divided into 2 subfamilies. Subfamily 1 monandre, subfamily 2 is diandre or pleonandre. Mono means 1. Which plants contain only one stamen in Orchidaceae? That all plants are placed under the monandre subfamily. So monandre means in these plants the fertile stamens are only one, that is interior side, outer hole. That stamen present at interior side of outer hole. Most of Orchidaceae taxa belongs to this subfamily. So most of the orchids are belongs to this subfamily. Usually stamen fuses with the 2 fertile stigma lobes and form rostellum. It is important. Rostellum and gynostomium both are present in monandre. Rostellum. How rostellum is formed? Stamen, usually it has 3 lobes. Trifid. But stamens fuses with 2 fertile stigmatic lobes. Remaining lobe modified into bird beak-like structure, that is called rostellum. So once again, the stigma has 3 lobes. 2 lobes are fused with the stamen. The number of stamen is only 1. The stamen fused with 2 lobes, stigmatic lobes. Remaining lobe convert into bird beak-like structure, that is called rostellum. So finally, conclusion is rostellum, gynostomium both are present in monandre. And most of the Orchidaceae family plants are belongs to monandre. Then diandre. Di means 2, andre means stamens. The fertile stamens are 2. In some plants 3, in some plants rarely 5. Maximum 5 stamens also visible in some of the diandry plants. But most of the plants have 2 stamens. These 2 stamens are fused with the stigma of a column. Therefore, rostellum is not formed because 2 stamens are fuses with the 3 lobes. Here no rest of the lobe. Therefore, there is no formation of rostellum. So, rostellum is completely absent. Sterile stigma is absent. Anthers. Anthers are dithecous. Intros longitudinally dehiscency. The number of pollinias are 2 to 8. 2 to 8 pollinias are present in each anther. Number of anthers are how many? 1 or 2. Every anther contain how many pollinia? 2 to 8 pollinia. 1 pollinia means more number of pollen grains are fused to each other to form pollinia. But pollen saccade, pollinia is equal to pollen saccade. How many saccades are present in this plant? 2 to 8 saccades. They are present in anther. It is pollinia structure. So these are the pollinia structure. Anther cup, pollinia. So this is the pollinia. Here also pollinia. These are the pollinias. It is stigma. It is rostellum. It is the labellum, lip-like structure. It is the segment, persistent, perianth, this one. Based on the attachment of anther to the rostellum. Before I said, anther or stamen bind to the stigmatic lobes. The number of lobes are 3. So that anther bind to the 2 lobes, remaining part convert into rostellum. Based on this character, orchids are 2 types. Basitonous orchids, acrotonous orchids. It is important for MSc entrance. Basitonous orchids means where the base of the anther is attached to the rostellum. Here, the attachment visible in between rostellum and anther. From where? Base. Base of the anther. The rostellum bind to the base of the anther is called basitonous orchids. Example, Orchis mascule. Acrotonous orchids. The same rostellum fuse with the apex of the anther. So this is the, for example, anther structure. This is anther. Rostellum touch with, if rostellum attached to the base part of the anther, here base part of the anther, base means here. If the rostellum bind with base part of the anther, they are called basitonous. If the same rostellum base attached with the apex portion of the anther is called acrotonous. So simply, rostellum bind at the base of the anther is called basitonous. The same rostellum bind at the apex of the anther is called acrotonous. The position of the binding, based on that, these orchids are 2 types, basitonous, architonous. Then gynoecium. So inferior ovary, tricarpellary, syncarpous, unilocular, parietal placentation. Almost these all are identical. The same gynoecium visible in Cucurbitaceae. In Cucurbitaceae also, inferior ovary, tricarpellary, syncarpous, unilocular, parietal placentation. These all characters are visible in Cucurbitaceae, but that is belongs to dicotyledon. It is monocotyledon. So gynoecium almost identical with cucurbites. Style is terminal. Here stigma trilobed. 2 types of stigmas are present. One is monandre, another one is diandre. So in monandre, 2 lobes are fertile, third lobe is sterile. That is called rostellum. Before I noticed. Diandre, three lobes are fertile, there is no rostellum. So it is the different in between, major difference in between monandre and diandre. Here rostellum is absent, here rostellum is present. Most of the orchids are belongs to monandre. Pollination mechanism, commonly entomophily. Entomophily means insect pollination. Protandry also visible. Protandry means male organs are early matured than female. That is called protandry. Labellum spur. Spur is a separate gland. It store sweet or honey like substances. That is spur, separate gland. It is also present at the bottom of ovary, spur gland. Labellum, spur, gynostegium. These three are easily attract insect. So, insect pollination takes place. The sticky disc of caudices attached to the pollinium to the body of the insect. Here, pollinium visible like this manner. Pollinium means the group of many pollen grains. So it is the pollinium saccade. This is the stalk of the pollinium. The stalk is called caudicle. The caudicle is sticky nature, gummy nature. So this caudicle easily bind to the insect body. So it is one of the contrivancy, one of the adaptation. So caudicle function is bind to the insect body because it is sticky nature, gummy nature. An insect visit another flower, in that moment pollinia attached to the stigma. Opposed to the rostellum, pollination is affected. Archis pollinia reach stigma due to the hygroscopic movement of the caudicle. So it is a separate pollination mechanism. Example, Ophrys species. In this species, there is no separate attracted structures. Separate attracted insect structures are absent. Means there is no spur, no honey, there is no nectar, totally absent. But the flower arrangement is too different. The plant name is Ophrys. The plant name is Ophrys. In Ophrys flower, the flower is looks like bee, honey bee. It is not real honey bee. These are the petals. The petal is looks like honey bee, especially female honey bee. So in Ophrys plant, the petals are looks like female honey bee. Therefore, male honey bees are attracted to this flower. The male honeybees are think that it is female honeybee. Therefore, it is try to mate to this female honeybee like flower. In that moment, pollination takes place. So, in Ophrys species, pollination takes place by the male honeybees. Why? Because here the flower arrangement, petals are arranged in different look like female honeybee. Especially that female honeybee, queen bee. Only the males are mate with the queen. Therefore, it is try to mate that queen bee. In that moment, during the mating time, the pollination takes place. But actually, it is not bee. These are the petals. Fruit, laculicidal capsule, berry visible in vanilla. It is important. Economically more significant. Vanilla fruit name is berry. Seed, non-endospermic. It is also important. Dust like numerous seeds are present. Non-endospermic, numerous dust like seeds. Formula, Br. Zygomorphic, percentage symbol is shows zygomorphic. Bisexual, P 3 plus 3. P means petal, 3 plus 3, 2 holes. A means androecium, 1 or 2 stamens. G means gynoecium, 3. So they are fused with epigynous, means inferior ovary. As well as here adnation is visible in between A and G. So stamens and gynoeciums are fused together to form gynostegium. So gynostegium made by half of the male part, half of the female part. Therefore, this symbol is must put in between A and G. Economic importance. Most of the plants are flora and horticulture, but hybrids are not visible. So it is one of the demerit, lack of hybrids. Some medicinal plants are there. Vanda roots are medicinally useful for the body pains or scorpion stings. Scorpion stings. That roots are useful. Pseudobulbs are visible in Eulopia. They are cure some sterility problems. Vanda fragrancy, vanilla, obtaining from fruits, using as ice creams, chocolates, and fruit salads for good smell. Most of the plants are for ornamental. They are grown of horticulture gardens. Example: vanilla, vanda, Archis maculae, Cypripedium, Cattleya, Dendrobium. Many number of plants are there in natural, widely or in gardens. They are growing for ornamental. So summary: mostly epiphytes. Therefore, the family is called epiphytic family. Perennial herbs, sheeting leaf base, simple cymos or spike inflorescence, bisexual, zygomorphic flowers. Epigynous means inferior ovary. Presence of labellum attract to the insect. One or two stamens, reduced the number of male organs. Pollinia. Pollinia has stalk. The stalk is called caudicle. Then rostellum, only monandre type of family members has rostellum. Gynostegium or gynostemium, it is umbrella like column. Tricarpellary, Syncarpus gynoecium with interior. Then unilocular ovary. The fruit is a laculicidal capsule, but in vanilla berry is visible. Important line is dust-like numerous non-endospermic seeds are present. These are the some important features about the Orchidaceae. So thank you very much who are watching this video.